Hi, welcome to my blog. My name is Thomas Shue, and today we're going to do a Lightroom tutorial. And in this tutorial, I want to go over the use of the crop tool. You know, when you're making images, it's always the goal of the photographer to frame the image and crop in camera. You know, use the viewfinder to select your crop. Sometimes when you're trying to capture that perfect smile or that right expression, you miss that crop in camera. So in Lightroom, they make it real easy to do cropping. So in order to get to the crop tool, first we need to go into the develop module. So we're going to use a shortcut D as in David, and this will go into the develop module. Okay, develop. And if we want to free up some real estate on each side, we can hit the tab key, and that will move the tabs away from the sides. And if we want to get rid of the top and the bottom, we can hit shift tab. Okay. If we need to open anything up again, if we just hover the side, it will come out. So we can hit the crop tool, and if you notice, it's the overlay is R. So if you hit the R key, we'll bring up the crop. Okay, and I've already selected the crop just for the speed, but let's redo it. If you hover over there and hit reset key, it will redo the crop. And if we hit the O key, O as in Oscar, this will bring in the different overlays, like the rule of thirds, and this one is the golden ratio. This one is like triangle. There's several of them you can use. This one is the golden radius. And if you hit the shift O, you can change the orientation of that overlay. So we're going to go back and we're going to hit O again and go to the rule of thirds. This is the one I use most of the time. And we're going to bring this crop down just so that it's on her eye as the point of interest. Okay. I don't want to crop anymore. Her wrist is in there, so I don't like to crop at joints. Her shoulders in there, so that this composition will work. So to finalize your crop, you just hit enter. Okay. Now there's a couple things about the crop tool I want to tell you as well. If you hover over this and you look at your crop tool, let's click on it. There's the constrain, which constrains the ratio. If you hit the A key, A as in apple, it will unlock or unconstrain the crop. Okay. Also, if you need to change your horizon line, if you hit the command or control key on Windows, you can draw a line across the screen and it will crop based on that. So if we need to straighten the horizon, we could draw it. So we're going to hit Control Z and undo that cropping angle. We're going to hit enter to select it. Now, sometimes the interface is a little distracting. If you hit the L key, L as in Larry, you'll turn the lights out on the interface. If we hit it again, it will black out the interface altogether. So now the screen is completely black. There's nothing distracting us. And we hit the L again for the third time, and it'll bring us back to the normal interface. So that's it on the crop tool. Thanks for watching.